my channel. In today's video, darling, we have a luxury unboxing. So I've been keeping something from you guys, just a bag purchase. So I'm gonna put a timestamp across the screen. If you want to just skip to the unboxing, feel free. But darling, I always have a story for my luxury purchases because I'm not an impulse buyer. Well, this time I kind of was. So if you want to skip right to it, I will put a timestamp in the screen. But if you want to hear how I got to this purchase, how I sourced it and all that good stuff, then please keep watching. If you saw my 2021 luxury wish list, I will link that down below. You know that I have been in the market for a pair of Gucci Princetown loafers, specifically the variety with the bees embroidered. And your girl has a large foot. She's a big girl. So I need a size 40.5. That's what size I wear in Gucci, like leather shoes. So I have not been able to find it anywhere. Now, I'm also rather impatient when I'm ready to purchase. I am someone who saves for all my purchases. It feels more satisfying when I save towards something and then I get to lust after it more. I don't know if you guys feel what I feel, let me know down below, but I am someone who likes the waiting process to some extent. I like waiting while I'm saving towards it. But when I'm ready to buy, I want to buy. So I was ready to make my Gucci loafer purchase and I could not find the loafers anywhere. I looked on Gucci's website, on Neiman Marcus. I even looked on the pre-owned market. They had other varieties, but not the ones with the bees. So I was over it. I'm impatient and I started looking at bags and I was on Fashion File because if you also saw my wish list, you would know that my budget this year for handbags is $2,500. I just randomly came up with that number because I don't like spending a ton of money on bags and I like shopping pre-owned, and usually within that budget I can find everything on my wish list. So I knew I didn't want to spend a ton of money, so I looked on Fashion File. That's my #1 source for shopping pre-owned, and I was looking at Gucci because I still wanted a Gucci bag. You guys know 2021, I've coined it as the year of Chanel for myself. I've acquired, I'm not gonna tell you how many Chanel bags because I've acquired a new one and you guys will see it in June or July, but I love Fashion File. So I was looking at Gucci and I came across this bag and it just spoke to me, and what it said was vacation. It said Jamaica, Mexico, it said Miami or West Palm Beach. It screamed vacation, and in that exact moment I needed it. Now here's another thing about me. I don't like paying full price for anything, so that's part of the reason why I like buying pre-owned. Specifically with Fashion File, their items go on a 5% sale, a 10%, and then a 20% sale. I think it has to be on the website at least 30 days or something. So I like a deal. Now I have lost out on items this way because I wait for it to go on sale and then somebody snatches it up. And lo and behold, that is what happened. And once I show you this bag, I'll pop a picture up of the bag I wanted. It was on no other site available on the pre-owned market. This color was popping, the print was popping, so now you know it's a printed bag. It was just everything and I needed it. I needed it. And I let it get out of my hands and I'm still kicking myself for doing so. I was so devastated. First world problems, I know. And I was like, I have to find this bag. So I was on the hunt and I found this bag on eBay. Now, before I decided on it, I did do my research on YouTube just to see if anyone else had this bag. And I could only find one other video featuring this bag. It's from Marilyn Melbourne, and I will link that unboxing down below. She spoke so highly of this bag. When I saw her wearing it, I went over to her Instagram and scrolled all the way back. I needed this bag. It spoke to my Japanese side. It just gave me all the summer vacay vibes. It was fun. It was like nothing else I have in my collection. Now I do have a sizable collection because I've been collecting luxury bags since I was like 13. And this was just so different. I don't have any printed bags, so that is how I decided on this bag. I found it on eBay. Yes, I do purchase luxury items from eBay. I find the best deals on eBay. I will put a video down below. I'll put a few videos about how I buy pre-owned. Now, I won't get into it in this video, but the seller had great feedback. She sold other luxury items. I just knew this would not be a knockoff handbag because it's not a trendy style. Usually knockoffs are like the most trendy style. This is a rare bag, okay? So Let's get to the unboxing. Now, this is not a true unboxing. Your girl has opened her because I couldn't wait. It's a fake YouTube unboxing. Okay, so without further ado, I know I've told enough of a story, a backstory. Let's get to the unboxing. Oh no, I got lipstick on. Okay, let's properly unbox her. She comes in her Gucci dust bag. Gucci dust bags are like so amazing. Okay, I know you're ready. Let's just get to it. This is the bag, you guys. She makes my heart sing. So let me just give you a little overview. This is the Gucci Blooms Daily bag in the size small. Look at that beautiful bamboo closure right there. She features a top handle and these D-rings in the back because she comes with a shoulder strap. So I am gonna put the strap on so you guys can see her. I mean, doesn't she just scream spring and summer? So this features the Gucci Blooms print all over. It's a small size bag. It's larger than the Alma BB, but it's in that same mini bag style. I will be sure to insert a picture of myself wearing this bag. You guys, I found it for an amazing deal. I want to say when this bag was being sold, I'll put it across the screen. I'm not sure how much it retailed for, but I paid right under $1,000 for this, which is such a steal. These are the sides of the bag. So when you open it, it was already open. This is what it looks like in the inside. The interior is like that famous Gucci linen fabric, and it also has these snap closures on the side, so you can make the opening a little smaller, or you can open it up to have better access to your belongings. There is one zip pocket in the back, and inside I think there's just some, yeah, this is all the Gucci information. That's the tag that it came with. Now, like I said, I purchased this bag pre-owned. I will tell you the seller's name because I kept the tag. It is scottsdaleclothing.com. And she sells designer clothing and handbags. So that's one thing I will say just quickly. If you're going to purchase luxury items from eBay, make sure the seller sells luxury items. So I wouldn't purchase this from a seller who sells Legos and Hot Wheels. Now, it could be authentic, but it makes more sense that a reseller would be selling an authentic bag than someone who sells children's toys. So that's just one of my tips. I definitely have more tips in the videos I'll link down below. The shoulder strap is adjustable. It features like a gunmetal hardware. You guys, this bag just looks so nice with white. You guys know I am on an all white journey this spring and summer. I just had to pull the trigger on this bag. Now, I say it was a bit of an impulse buy because I wasn't planning on purchasing a bag, but after my search for the Princetown loafers just came up unfounded, I saw this bag in turquoise, and it was also cheaper, but I missed out on it because I was trying to save a coin. But when I saw this, the red is my favorite color for lipstick. Red looks so nice in the summertime, and I just feel like my bachan would just be so proud of me. This Blooms print just looks very Asian inspired to me. I am loving this. The leather is like a textured leather, so this is an all leather bag without the inside being leather. It's just the perfect spring and summer bag. I don't have any printed luxury handbags in my collection, I don't believe, and I have nothing that screams spring. So you guys, I am so excited about this handbag. I can't wait to start using her now that you guys have seen her. I will definitely do a review because the Gucci Daily is still being sold on the pre-owned market in the leather version specifically. There are not too many of the Blooms print, but when I saw this bag, I just couldn't get it out of my head. And you guys know I'm not into popular bags anymore. Like I said, I have a sizable luxury handbag collection, so I'm now on the hunt for bags that match my aesthetic but that are different. Now I'm looking for bags that are more unique, and this just makes me so happy. I cannot wait to wear her this spring and summer. So that is my new baby, you guys. This is what the bottom looks like. And yeah, I found her pre-owned for an amazing deal, and I couldn't be more satisfied. I do though want to see if my Gucci cosmetic pouch fits in her. Now, if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you would know that last year I purchased, oh, it's red, I totally forgot. Last year I purchased this Gucci cosmetic case for my birthday, and to be frank, I don't wear it too much because I've been on a small bag kick. So I want to see if she fits in the Gucci Bloom. Well, she definitely fits, but I won't be carrying anything else. Now this I keep stuffed, so maybe if it's not stuffed I can carry it, but to be honest, this has better use in a larger bag. But you guys, first of all, I just think that's a cute combination. I am obsessed with this bag. I am so happy that I picked it up. She is just so fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you think about my new bag down below. Is this a bag that you've seen before, or would you ever buy a printed luxury all leather handbag? I know this is definitely not going to be everyone's style, but like I said, I'm into different things now, so I couldn't be happier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, while we're here and talking about cosmetic cases, I also picked up these two new Gucci lip products last month. This is the Gucci Rouge matte lipstick in the shade 702 and Lilac. I mean, can we talk about the packaging? This is just gorgeous, you guys. There's Gucci on top. I mean, I'm not even a gold lover, but I'm loving this. And this is the shade of purple. So if you've ever been interested in Gucci Beauty, I have not used this lipstick yet, but I can't wait to do so. I also picked up the lip balm in the shade 3, and it is Renee Pink. Different packaging, but gorgeous. Still has Gucci on top. Not sure if you can see it. Beautiful packaging, and this is the shade. Now this is a lip balm, so I would be able to wear this with what I have on now. Also carrying my new bag, but this is a lip balm that actually has really nice pigmentation. So I will be sure to link those two beauty products down below. I just wanted to share my new goodies with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much for watching. I will definitely do a what's in my bag video for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.